Hello, this is Douglas Dennis, the Alkaline Chef. This is Alkaline TV, and today we're talking about how to make spaghetti out of spaghetti squash. This is alkaline spaghetti. So first you're just gonna get the seeds out of the spaghetti squash. And why is it called spaghetti squash? Well, because it shreds into spaghetti-like strings very easily. So we're going to drizzle olive oil on it and put some sea salt, and then we're just going to put it in the oven. Very natural and simple. You can poke a few holes with a fork as well. And we're going to put this in the oven for 30 to 40 minutes. Yum. And then when it comes out, it'll be nice and stringy. You can just scoop it out with a fork and use it as spaghetti. There you go, nice and roasted. And now here is one serving of our homemade sauce that we're gonna make. There's some enoki mushrooms, which are my favorite, and plum tomatoes that we're just gonna blacken. And also on top, there's some baby kale and arugula, baby arugula. So this is just one serving worth of our homemade sauce, olive oil, and that baby kale and arugula. So the sauce is made out of plum tomatoes or cherry tomatoes, a pound of them, and a half of one onion, blended in the food processor or blender, and then you cook it down and add sea salt, cayenne, basil, and agave if you like it sweet, and coconut cream to make it creamy. And then we just used one serving of the leftover sauce, added some greens and olive oil. Look at it bubbling away. So we're just going to cook this a little bit and add the cooked spaghetti squash. Very, very, very flavorful and natural. I'm not the biggest fan of squash because often it's cooked in a very poor way and it's just boring or garlicky or whatever. Well, there's no garlic in our diet, and we definitely make sure everything is very flavorful so that we don't get, monotonous. Here is the enoki mushrooms. Just flip them over when they start to turn golden brown. And there was just a little bit of oil in this pan, and that's it. Yum. Natural flavors. This is pretty much ready. What do you think? Have you ever had spaghetti squash? It's a good way to avoid carbs if you're trying not to have wheat. I don't eat wheat at all. Usually we eat spelt pasta or chickpea pasta, but squash is even lighter, less expensive most of the time, and less processed. And these tomatoes taste so much better when you blacken them like this. Just takes a couple extra minutes, but it's worth it. Then we're just going to cut these in half. And right now, just using a spoon, why not? All right, this is going to be quite a natural and tasty dish. Leave a comment below if you have any ideas for what kind of recipes you want to see. We've got a lot of them coming up, and we have a lot already posted. This is the 12th video in our cooking series. Thank you so much for watching. And if you want to see some of our other, there's links in the description. And also, if you want to have more energy, which is the whole point of why I'm on this crazy diet to begin with, even though it's the original diet. But I was having a lot of health problems, and then I had to change. So it took me a while. I was stubborn, but I finally was forced by life to change my ways. And I'm glad I did. Now my health is amazing. I feel better than I did even when I was 17. I feel plenty of energy, and it's almost all because of this food. And look at that with a fresh basil on top. So that's enoki mushrooms on top, and then a spaghetti squash spaghetti. Please subscribe if you enjoy. Thank you for liking. Nobody can find these videos unless you like them, so I appreciate all the love and support. Let me know what you want to see in the next video, and we will do the best we can to cook it up for you. We've got another one on cupcakes with actual alkaline frosting. Believe that. We've got a banana bread, alkaline banana bread that's made out of Spelt. That one is doing really well. People seem to like that video a lot. And also, I've been working hard on my Alkaline Life Transformation Program. I launched it a short time ago, and I already have several people getting started. And I won't give any names, but their first week, someone just lost 7 pounds in 7 days, and that wasn't even the purpose, but isn't that an awesome result? So congratulations to them. And if you want to check out more about the Life Transformation Program, the Alkaline Life Transformation Program, there is a link in the description where you can see a short video about it. And then I will see you in our Facebook group and in the next video. Have an amazing day on purpose. It's not just going to happen randomly. You're going to have to do it systematically, and these videos are how. Until next time, peace.